Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to create a simple widget blueprint. So we will learn about bindings in widget blueprints, why they are bad, and why we should never use it. Open the content drawer. Let's go to content, main, and let's open another folder. Let's name it widgets. Open the folder and let's create a new widget blueprint. Right click, user interface, widget blueprint, user widget. Let's name this widget player underscore HUD. Open the widget. Let's add a canvas so we can put some elements to work with. For this lesson, we're going to need progress bar, drag and drop. So in 95% of the tutorials, you're going to see progress bar, bind, and create binding. So this progress bar they're using mostly for player health. Let's go to the graph. And if you don't see the bindings here, so this is the event graph. You're gonna see on the left side get percent. This is the binding function. Double click. And you see we have here two tabs. Now you see the binding is under the functions tab. The difference between binding function and a normal function is that the binding function works the same as the event tick, which we've covered that in the previous lesson, how bad the event ticks are. Now let's see how this works. Let's open our third-person character. Go to content, main, double click. In an empty space, right click and type event begin play. Right click and create widget. From the return value type add to viewport. In the class section here, select the player HUD. Compile and save. So when the game starts, we're going to create this widget and we're going to see what's in it. In this case, we have only one progress bar for the health. Now let's go to our third-person character again. We're going to need to create one variable. It's going to be type of float and name this variable health. Compile and save. Now when you select the variable, you can put health of 100. And now let's go to our player HUD widget blueprint. Again, we're going to the graph in the top right corner. And now we are in the binding function here. What you usually see in every tutorial is cast to third-person character. From the object get player character. And from the return value from here, we can access to the player's variable. In this case, we have health. So let's type get health. And from this pin, set health. Connect these pins. Return value to the target. And let's call the print string node. So we're going to see message on the screen, what's going on. You don't have to follow this exactly, this is just for demonstration purposes. To explain to you how bad this way of creating player health is. Compile and save. Now when the game starts, we're going to create this widget with a progress bar, and we are going to display the player health, how much percentage we have. Let's try it out. You see on the left side the same as tick. It's going to go throughout the whole game as long as you play. So what this does is checking all the time how much we have left of our player health. So if something happened to us and let's say we damage our actor, on the left side we're going to change the value. And this is the worst way of creating player health. So again, let's have a look at this. If you want your game to run properly, you should never use this type of player health. In the next two videos, we will create optimized player health functionality and much more flexible. So we can use whenever we want, however we want, and it's going to be super efficient for your game. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.